let's draw the car. If you want it, you can do it. So first we should do the shape. It's everything what you need, like this. After, we're gonna make it a little bit longer on an up, going down like this. We have made a lot of work, so going here and going down again. Just simple shapes, you know. Here we're gonna make this straight line going down and going down here too. It's spoiler like this. Okay, we have done it. We are stand here, make the circles right there. Half of circle, going, making the straight line, just in some crevice. Right here, on this place, we should draw the second circle. We have done it. Just wait a little bit. Here we're going down, going down, going down. Here we should draw something like this. We have done it. So just let me add some details. This card gonna be good. I promise. I think that's gonna be good because, you know, just how cars can be bad, they actually should be good. Here we're drawing the windows. They should be good. Cars can be bad. No way. You know, it's the first time I'm drawing the car, and it looks not bad, but I think I should improve my skills. If I will like it, I will post it. If I will not, if I can fix it somehow, I will try to fix it. First, we should find some bad stuff what I have made on this art. If I made them. Okay. Not bad. I can say like it's bad stuff. It's not a bad stuff. It's something in the middle. If I will talk about the points, I would give it the 5 points. They were trying. I'm trying. I will try, and I think I'm able to do something good. I think I know where I made a mistake. I think I know. It's just my opinion, but I think I know. Here we have the number. Looks not bad. Looks very well. Looks very good. Here I think I made a mistake. It's my opinion. That looks good. Very well. Just make some shadows right there. Let's draw the circles without any problem, without any property, without any purpose. We are just drawing the circles. That's everything what we have to do. Circles, they are a little bit under, because, you know, they should be. If they weren't, this car can be even go. I think we're gonna make the white circles. They're gonna be good, I think. It's gonna be McQueen. Right now, with circles, cars looks very good. Car looks very good, really. It's just my opinion, but if you have pressed button, press this video and watching it, I think you might like it by some reasons. I cannot explain them, but you have liked this art, so this is the reason. And make something like this. Easy way to make the sure like car is going. Just draw something like here, like this. Draw the way what's going here. Here is 2. You have to make it bigger and make something like this. It's going, and after this wheels like this, and car is going. And going very fast, as you can see. Like this. So we have draw the car. Oh, that was really fast.